everyone, I'm Aisha and I'm the Learning and Heritage Officer here at Winchester Cathedral. You might recognise me from our summer family activities which took place inside the cathedral, where we were looking at different animals that you can see inside the building in our decorations like our stained glass and our wood and our stone, and then we made those animals out of different craft materials. I'm starting to think about what we might do at Christmas time. So on the table in front of me you can see some of the craft materials that I'm thinking we might use for our Christmas craft activities later in the year. And the room that I'm standing in is called the Undercroft. This is in the Learning Centre, which is where the Christmas market is, so it's not in the cathedral itself, and this is where our Christmas crafts will be taking place. So that means we've got lovely toilets for our little ones and places to wash hands, we've got places for buggies to stay, and pre-booking will be essential, but there will be something for everyone. So make sure you keep checking back to find out what's going on.